Hello, Daddy. This is MB1 with one. See our male pig. All growing. So in here we have 4 male pig. We are pumping water this morning. Done cleaning the area, they are all eating, and then we're pumping water for them to drink. So this is room 1. We'll have our male pig. And now we'll move on to room 2. This is 2. We'll have our 4 female. This is one of the pregnant female pig. This one is one. And this one, the black and white, is one of the pregnant female pig as well. All 2 will be dropping in this month. All 2 will be dropping in this month. That one is not, that one are pregnant. And this other black one, this is the 2 baby mother female pig here. This pig and that pig. That one produced the 8 and this one produced the 9. So when they get heat, we'll put meat on it. You see the belly, everything, it get flesh now. All the bones in cover. So you see the pregnant pig, you see the stomach, see what? See the female pig. So this one and this one will be dropping anytime in this month. Maybe the second week. So this is 2. I'll move on to room 3. We'll have our female pig. I drop the 10 piglets. As you can see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. The male is plenty by the female in this pig. 5. See. So you can see all of them. See there. Here's the other one. So that 1 female, 2 female. So 5 female, 5 male in here. So the male are plenty because the one are died our male. So 5 female, 5 male in here. This is MP1 room 3. We have a female pig. We chop 11 piglets, but we lost 1. So as you can see, this is the 10. Cheers on outside. Cheers, let me show you. Cheers. Oh, he's up. Cheers, man. Come on. Cheers, man. Yes. As you can see here, as you can see the female pig. Now get that. So this is the male pig. Our male pig. Check here. So this is the male pig. Cancel. Okay. This is the male pig. This is MB1. So I move over to MB2.